Oh man. It's time to get my paycheck that my boss raised for me. I am going rich AF. I can't wait to invest and make a lot of money by now. I am investing for my company. Can't wait for infinite money glitch for myself.
Excuse me, Dave. Your tax is due tomorrow on April 15th. I just want to remind you that you should do it right now before it's due. We need to file tax returns.
Tax. I will be paid part of my income I had earned. Gosh. Why doesn't the government have to take away my money I earned? It's not fair for the country and the IRS to yank it out of my wallet and bank account paycheck.
What are you talking about, Dave? The IRS government needs money from taxes to use. It's the United States revenue they earned. Come on, Dave. Do you want the country to be behind? Pay the tax from your income you earned.
I'm just trying to say that I don't want to pay taxes and I want to keep all the money I earned for myself and not let the government steal my money. Uncle Sam is a thief and I won't let him lay a hand on my money. I'm just trying to say that I don't want to pay taxes and I want to keep all the money I earned for myself and not let the government steal my money. Uncle Sam is a thief and I won't let him lay a hand on my money.
Dave! Listen. You have to pay your income tax you earned, and if you don't pay it, you can get yourself arrested for tax evasion. Whatever. I gotta go.
Oh man. I wanted a lot of money I can keep. What shall I do? I don't want to pay tax and give some of my money to Uncle Sam. Oh. I know. How about I evade tax by lying about my income? That way, the IRS won't know.
Dave, we got to file our income tax by tomorrow on April 15th. The IRS said that it's gonna be due. Please file your tax return on the form please before you go to jail for tax evasion.
Ugh. No way, Catherine. I don't want to get taxed on the money I earned. It makes me get less money and I don't like it. Why don't you mind your own business? I will find a way to bypass getting taxed and get even more money faster and be richer.
Ugh. Dave. You got to pay your income taxes based on what you earned. You could get arrested for tax evasion and that's illegal. Start paying it right now before the IRS agent comes for you.
Ugh. Catherine. I don't want to ever pay taxes. The government is so greedy for money. Can't they just make money from something else like from producing things? You say is being so greedy, especially Uncle Sam. I want to not pay income tax to be rich faster.
But that still shows you're greedy yourself, hypocrite. The government ain't greedy. They need money for road construction, school, build and maintain structure, etc. Start supporting the government and pay your taxes already. I know you want to keep all the money you earned for yourself, but that's too greedy of you.
I don't want to pay my tax to that greedy government, Catherine. I will refuse to pay the taxes and get away with it.
Too bad, greedy Dave. Start paying your taxes yourself like a grown man right now. I'm tired of you arguing with me. You won't get away with tax evasion and you'll regret it in the future. I don't want any whining.
Wow. You just gotta call me greedy, Karen. I'm not accepting that excuses to force me to pay taxes. I'm not greedy, Catherine. I don't want to pay my taxes. 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 Why? You're mean, but you greedy, Karen. How would you like it if someone forces you to do something you don't like, Catherine?
Dave Johnny Johnson. Stop it. You know I'm not forcing you to pay your taxes. I'm just trying to not get you arrested for tax evasion. Besides, quit throwing a tantrum already. You've embarrassed not only yourself, but the whole family. You should be ashamed of yourself. You've not a baby toddler anymore. Get off the ground now, Dave, and start acting mature and file your taxes before you go to jail. I'm not kidding you.
Oh great. Here we go again. Dad is throwing a tantrum like always. This is getting embarrassing.
Yeah, Brian. He needs to grow up and act mature. He is getting out embarrassed in public a lot. Indeed, what could go wrong for Dad? His is so childish.
Why? I'm not childish. 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 I'm crying because your mom forced me to pay my tax, which she forces me to get some of my money gets stolen by the greedy Uncle Sam debt collectors. Why? No. I'm not getting off the ground, you entitled Karen. I will get away with tax and that's final, Catherine.
Oh my gosh. Fine. You're just gonna regretting evading taxes, Dave. We're out of here.
Oh wait. I know. How about I start by not paying the taxes anyway? The ears will be tripping me when I lied about my income. I will be fooling them to get more money without the greedy government. Hopefully no one can catch me for this. Anyways. Time to eat dinner and hide my money by withdrawing it and place them in a safe and leave on my tax return form. This is gonna make me money faster and avoid Uncle Sam the greedy bitch. Oh man. Now it's time to get my paycheck and invest all of this money I earned. Time to hide it and lie about my income on the form. When I get to the bank, I'm deposited that $400 I earned today from working as an investment accountant. This is so fire for me to earn. I got the paycheck and turned into cash and pretend to not earn any income to trip the IRS. Alright. I have deposited my check. Now time to withdraw the cash and hide it from my safe and lie to the ears to think I earn no income. This is gonna be great. Yup. I got my cash withdrawn. Time to go home and place it in my safe. Oh yeah. It's time to lie to the ears about my income I earned. I'm now saying I earned nothing and I will get away with it. This is gonna be the great way to get away with tax evasion like comedy. I love money and the greedy Uncle Sam would take it. Well, I have a safe I never used before. Time to place my money inside so the IRS will know. This is the safest tax evasion.
A year later, Dave kept on earning and placing his money to save them in a safe and evading tax.
Oh man. It's been a year since I started evading tax to avoid Uncle Sam. Oh yeah. I made $100,000 and avoiding 40% income tax from the IRS. I could have $60,000 if I don't evade tax. This is great and that's why everyone hated taxes. Uncle Sam is greedy and dumb, he won't find my money to steal. I now finally have enough to pay off my loan debts and go to Dubai and get a Gucci, etc. Who could that be? I hope it's not the IRS finding out about this.
Hello. Are you Mr. Dave Johnson?
Huh. Yeah. Why are you asking me? I am minding my own business.
Well, I'm the IRS agent here to come to check to see how your taxes are doing here, because I see you reported to me that you claim to make $0 in income, and I want to check to make sure it's true. Let me in the house, please. So, I see that your bank is depositing and withdrawing too much money, which is a little suspicious. Haven't you been doing that to buy drugs?
Nope. I haven't been using drugs ever. Why would I do that?
Well then, our team of IRS found out you claimed to earn nothing last year. But how come you get money deposited into your bank account? Is there anything you want to tell me?
Well, I got an allowance by my wife every day for helping her. She is so kind and decided to give me reward my check, which is strange and I don't know why.
I don't know if I would believe that, but people normally don't get allowance by check. Do you have anything else? Tell me the actual truth already.
That is the truth I told you earlier. I know it's strange. Please don't judge people by their cover. That's not a good thing to do.
Well. I'm now checking your house to see if you're lying. Well. I found the money. I knew Dave was lying to me this whole time. I knew you're lying, Dave. I knew you lied about not earning money on the file return form. This is called a tax evasion. I'm the IRS agent, who is a debt collector, Dave. This is a serious crime, mister.
What did I just hear? Wow. Really, Dave? Really? You're crying over getting taxed. This is why no one likes you, because you're an immature man-child who cries over stupid and small things like tax. This is why you shouldn't be going to work and have money in the first place. Who even raised you? Is your mom that stupid and reckless like you?
Wow. I didn't expect Dave to act like a huge baby toddler. What a weirdest grown man-child I ever had encountered. This is so weird. Who even raised him to act that way? I bet their parents don't know how to raise him correctly, and they might be stupid or something. I agreed with you because he should get hired to work anywhere. This is a stupid and dumb crybaby grown man. Is this guy a human?
Not really, sir. This guy is probably adopted by a monkey. Anyways, Dave. We're asking you one more time.
Are you trying to get away from taxes and commit tax evasion to save in your safe? Tell me the truth now before I will rip your teeth. This is your last chance. Tell us now, man-child, crybaby monkey.
Okay, fine. You know what? Yes, I did evade taxes and lied to the IRS about earning $0. I'm so sorry.
I knew you lied to us, Dave the crybaby. Didn't your parent told you lying is a sin? Liars don't deserve rights. I can't believe your parents didn't tell you to cheat or lie. Didn't you know this kind of offense is a serious crime? Because you lied to us earlier, you're gonna face a worse consequences or go to jail.
What's going on? Oh my gosh. Dave. What do you just do?
We both are IRS agents. We have found out he committed tax evasion, which is a felony crime. We both are punishing this crybaby man-child. I think you start filing an annulment on your marriage with your husband because he ain't a human, but a crying monkey like his parent, which don't know how to raise him. Who even raised him, by the way?
Just wow, Dave. I told you, this happens when you don't pay taxes and you ended up like this. Have fun crying then, guess you're irresponsible.
Wow, Dave. Since you've embarrassed your family, time to face your biggest fate.
No, please. Ouch, 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 Ouchie. You mean witches whip my left hand off my arms? This hurts so excruciatingly, like childbirth and amputation and dentist tooth removal.
Shut up, man-child monkey. That's what you get for committing a crime. Didn't your parent know and taught you that crimes are bad thing that can ruin your life and reputation? You're so stupid for not knowing them, which shows that you lack common sense. I don't think you deserve to work and earn or touch money. These things are addictive drugs for you.
Wow, I'm glad you punished him by ripped both his hands. That will teach him and prevent him from touching money. Come on, let's get out of here.
Catherine. I'm so sorry that I did not listen to you. Please call 911 already because I'm bleeding on the ground and it hurts so bad.
I don't believe you, Dave. I heard you lied to the IRS agents about me giving you check as allowance for helping me, but you didn't. I would take that as a joke since I don't trust you this time, Dave. You should have known about it and for lying. No! Not saving you because I knew you're faking your injury.
Lesson. Always pay your income taxes to the IRS every year before the 15th of April. If you earn money, especially a lot, would you pay your tax to the IRS or find a legal loophole to avoid it?